Happy Monday. What did I get in the mail this week? My husband already opened. This is not the box these hats came in. My husband opened them and I'm like, no, wait. Anyway, he ordered some new hats for the summer. He just likes to wear hats when we go walking outside. So, of course, St. Louis Blues. These are two different hats. Even though it's the same logo, the canvas is different. And then the St. Louis Blues hat. So, 3 new hats for him. And then put this to the side right here. And then this is a box of product. I think it's just supplies. So, yes, that's what this is. Ring boxes. So we do sell some jewelry that my husband designs, and these are ring boxes to put the rings in. And then I bought a whole bunch of silver necklaces. This is the real deal necklaces. Real silver. I just mention that because a lot of times, let's just be honest, people, if you're buying a silver necklace from eBay and you're only paying $1, it's not silver. No way. Chinese manufacturers are really bad about stamping stuff that's 925, which is an abbreviation for sterling silver, when it's not 925. So keep that in mind. If you buy something cheap, there's a reason why it's cheap, because it's not real silver. So I do buy silver necklaces to resell because you can just tell. If you know anything about jewelry, you can kind of tell a real silver necklace against a fake silver necklace. And our customers like the real deal. So that's why I buy that, and that's it. Monday, not much came in today. Happy Wednesday. I don't think we got any packages yesterday, so today we got a whole bunch. So this package is from Swanson. It's a vitamin company. My husband orders a lot of vitamins from there. So we got a new bottle of vitamin C, a bottle of vitamin A. I take a couple vitamins, but most of these are for my husband. Vitamin D3, and then I don't know what that's for. Husband stuff. And then he ordered a pair of sunglasses from Amazon. These are actually kind of expensive. I think they were over $100, but he had some Amazon credits to use up. So, and then I'm not going to open these. They're just sunglasses. But we're getting ready to go out of town fishing. And so, if you've ever been fishing in the ocean, the sun glare is quite terrible. And so this is for him so he can fish. And then walk back over here to the front of the house. So here is some eBay boxes. I do have an eBay store, and so there's quarterly coupons, and so I was using up one of my coupons for I think these are 4x6x8 boxes, which are my favorite size of boxes to ship. And then this is a box of Scentsy I'm going to have to open to make sure it's not damaged. I ordered 2 of those new Cinderella Carriage Scentsy warmers. One for me and one to resell at Christmas time. The thing with the Scentsy warmers, all the Disney stuff and other, pretty much all the Scentsy warmers, they're only like, they kind of sell out after a couple months, and then they'll have a good resale value like 6 months afterwards. So I'll get a warmer every once in a while for resale, and then I also have warmers all over the house. My last warmer, let's see, where is my last warmer I bought that I absolutely love? Yes, it is this lemonade pitcher. I haven't turned it on for the day. I don't leave them on 24/7, but it is, look at that. Is that not adorable? It is a lemonade pitcher, and then I think I have the original lemonade wax melts in them. So one of my favorite warmers. So yep, that's what I got in the mail today. I forgot one more package. Today is still Wednesday. This is the fondant I ordered from Amazon last week. I don't think I realized this box was this big. Jeez Louise. I did not realize that was that big, but that's okay. I will use it. As long as you keep them sealed, it lasts for a while. So that's white, black, and brown. I usually get this stuff at Michael's. I'm in St. Louis County, which non-essential businesses are not allowed to open yet. And there's 2 Michaels in St. Louis County, and they're both closed. So that's why I ordered these from Amazon. But I'm also a Prime Amazon member, so it's free shipping. And I actually bought from the Wilton's account on Amazon, so the price was comparable to what I would have had Michael's, minus the coupon, of course. Of course, if I would have been at Michael's, I would have used like their 20% off one item coupon. So I guess I did have to pay for that, but free shipping. What are you gonna do when Michael's is closed? So yes, I will be baking my niece a cake in 2 weeks, 1 week, 2 weeks. I don't know. What day is it? All the days are rolling together. I don't know. Oh my god, this fondant is huge. I hope it's individually and not one huge thing, but it's fine. As long as I seal it back up, it'll last until the next time I decide to make a cake.